Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have a paper pumpkin unboxing. We're looking at the Memorable Meadows March 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And we have 2 stamp sets this time. I'm going to actually look for that printout we have now, because that will show our Thank you, Fergus. Ooh, look at the stuff in here. Oh, here it is. So we have daisies with the fill-in part, or 2-step stamping. So you stamp the daisies first and then you can fill in the color with the stamp for one option. And then we have another really cute little daisy by itself. And our sentiments are, you've been on my mind, have a beautiful birthday, heartfelt thanks, it's the little things that matter. Great sentiments. And our colors this month are Balmy Blue, Basic Black, Berry Burst, Daffodil Delight, Early Espresso, Fresh Freesia, Garden Green, Gorgeous Grape, Granny Apple Green, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Pretty Peacock, and Very Vanilla. So lots of colors to match it with. So we have some sequins that are iridescent in 2 sizes. And then we have our dimensionals and our glue dots. Oh, look at this artwork. I just love this. So we have 3 cards that are landscape. And both sides are printed, so that's great for chopping up, that we can get more cards than just 3. And we have our envelopes. Oh, I like this curved edge. That's different. And they're all the same, so we have 9 envelopes. And the design goes down inside the envelope. So again, we can cut these up for more cards and use plain envelopes to stretch it. And okay, here are our card bases. So these are in portrait. Oh, there's something in between. Okay, so here's one set with a nice little path or stream. Could be either. And let's see, this card base, very, very pretty. Love this look. Okay, and then we have our die cuts. So they have gold foil. So we have this design and then like a little half an oval and a banner style. Okay, and then these are wood die cuts. And I'm guessing there's just one panel in here. So there's what, trees, and then this foliage. And there's 3 different shapes. And then this looks like purple vellum. Yep. So some purple vellum labels or banners. Oh, 2 different kinds here. So we have three of these and 6 of those. Great. As per usual, check back later this month to see what I come up with for my alternatives. Thanks for watching. Bye.